You can see I'm wearing actual pants. So I feel like that should account for something. You know what I mean? It's about the details. You could see my pants in the whole video, but with like, you know what I'm saying? These are real pants. The pockets. This is dedication. Okay. Hey y'all, it's your favorite realtor, Kasha here, and I'm going to give you some myths about the VA mortgage loan. Let's get started. So if you haven't done any research on the VA loan, but you've heard some things, I am sure that you will hear some things in this video that will that will blow your mind. Okay. Now I have VA loan mortgage certification. Thank you. So I am now literally a licensed expert about this topic. But if you don't have any specialized knowledge about the VA mortgage loan, there is a lot to discuss. The VA mortgage loan is amazing, and I actually did a video about the VA mortgage loan that was pretty in-depth without getting too boring that I would love for you to watch after this video. It's really good. Says me, like, I just recently posted it. However, it is very helpful. If you are interested in a VA mortgage loan or you'd like to know more information about a VA loan, definitely check out that video. Otherwise, let's dig into these myths about the VA mortgage loan. Myth number 1, the VA mortgage loan benefits expire at some point. That is a huge myth. The VA mortgage loan benefits do not expire. So if you are a veteran and you meet the eligibility requirements, you are eligible until you pass away, okay? Until you are no longer living. While you are living, you have access to this loan benefit. Myth number 2, you can only use your VA mortgage benefit one time. Whew, I'm glad to hear that that's not the case. As a veteran, once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can use the VA loan as many times as you have time for. Okay, this is incredible, incredible. So glad to hear that this is a myth. But yes, your VA loan benefits do not expire. Myth number 3, you can only have one VA mortgage loan active at a time. Also a myth. Can you imagine? You can actually have multiple loans going at the same time. So in this case, there are what is called occupancy rules to you being able to have multiple loans out at the same time. But provided you meet those occupancy rules that are not outrageous at all, you can absolutely have more than one active VA mortgage loan at a time. So amazing. It's amazing. I didn't mean to yell. It's amazing. Let's move on to the next myth. Myth number 4, and this is a juicy one. There is a limit to the amount of a VA loan that you can get. Child, let me tell you, okay? You can get a VA loan of any size. I want to say, if I'm not mistaken, there has been a VA loan more than $9 million. If I'm not, I could be wrong about that, but it is in the millions. Okay, like with an S, multiple millions. So don't worry about the home that you're wanting to purchase with the VA loan being out of range for the VA loan. There's no cap. Okay, there's no cap for the VA loan. Okay, and that's no cap for the kiddos. I don't know. I'm an auntie now, so. Myth number 5. The credit guidelines are so strenuous for a VA loan, I would never qualify. Woo! Child, thank goodness that is false. Okay, that is a myth. You can absolutely qualify for a VA mortgage loan benefit, even if your credit is imperfect. And now I say that because the VA loan, and this is the real meat of the myth here. It's more, more than just one sentence. But the gist of it is the credit guidelines and restrictions are determined individually by banking institution. So if you go to one bank on, Main Street, and they say you're denied for the VA loan mortgage that you want, go to the bank that's on First Street. Literally keep going until you find one that meets your needs. Or better yet, or even better still, pull your own credit, review it, and see what the guidelines are for different banks. See if you meet the prerequisite. And if you do meet those guidelines, then you know to apply at that bank and hope for the best. You can apply as many times as you need to, and you are always able to get the information of why you didn't qualify for the loan if in fact you do get denied for it. So that's just a little trick of the trade. So definitely be sure to evaluate what guidelines you did not meet if you are denied for a VA mortgage loan. But again, if you are denied by one bank, shop around. The VA loan is actually not as stringent of a benefit to receive based on your credit. So don't assume that you don't meet the credit qualifications. Just investigate what they are at the bank that you would prefer to work with and get it to the point where you're able to submit a rock solid application. Even with a foreclosure or a short sale on your credit history, you might still be eligible to qualify for the VA mortgage loan. So again, look around, see who has the criteria that fits with what you can make work, and apply at that bank and see what happens. You can try as many times as you like. If you have tried previously to go through the VA loan process and gotten kind of hung up at the appraisal step, maybe 10 years ago or more, definitely try again. The process is way more efficient in getting fair appraisals for the homes that you are wanting to purchase with the VA mortgage. The myth is that it's not as hard as it once was, and thank goodness, right? So if you have any questions about this specifically, I implore you to reach out to me. My contact information is in the description box below. We can get started. The VA loan mortgage process, as I discussed in my other video, is quite involved, okay, to say the very least. And like I said, I have the VA loan mortgage certification. So I literally had to do coursework to get the information that I have about the VA loan process. So if you are looking for a realtor, of course, look absolutely no further, which is always the case. However, if you are wanting a VA loan specifically, it's even more important for you to reach out and let me help you. Because like I said, I have the certification. I have the knowledge that makes this not a terrible process as maybe in the past it once was. So if you are looking for a VA loan specifically, I would love to help you. I have a backing of Mr. David Smith, who is, in my opinion, the VA loan GOAT, okay? He's handling business all across these United States. So literally, if you are anywhere, normally I say I can help you if you are in Houston or DFW. But literally, if you are anywhere, I can still put you down with David and he will get you sorted in any of the states. He literally works, he has agents all throughout the country that will handle your VA loan, who have this VA loan mortgage underwriting certification. Because again, it is involved, okay? At the end of the day, this is still the Veterans Administration. This is a, huge, there's a lot. But, if you're not looking for a VA loan and just stumbled upon this video, please check out my other videos about real estate stuff, how to pick a realtor, what to do before you house hunt. I got all sorts of videos on there. So check those out. Please subscribe, especially if you've made it this far. I would appreciate it so much. I have about 10 subscribers, myself included, to my, yes, I am subscribed to my own account with my personal, email. I support me, you know, I'm asking for your support as well. It would mean the world to me if you subscribe, turn on your notifications, so whenever I drop a video, which is not as often as I should, but I'm working on it, if you subscribe, I'll definitely step it up. That's for sure. Get at me in the comments, ask me any questions that you would like about any content in this video specifically, or just general real estate questions. I just bleached my locks a couple weeks ago. Dating advice, whatever energy you're willing to, you know, put into my channel, I'm gonna multiply it and give it right back. Okay, that's what we do here. Share this video if you think it would be helpful for someone in your family or a friend or relative. Anyone that you know, your homie around the corner who was talking about a VA loan the other day on y'all's Zoom call or in, you know, Clubhouse or whatever you kids are doing, share the video with them. This information is extremely helpful. Like I said, this is specialized information about the VA loan specifically. And I didn't talk about this much in this video, but it is such a phenomenal loan program. So I'm really trying to spread the word to help as many veterans as I can use this amazing resource. That's all for now. I hope you have some peace today.